back to AMT tutorial. I'm your Gunapriya. In before section we have discussed the second Roman of matrices exercise 3b. Now in this section we are going to discuss the exercise 3b third Roman. Okay, let's see. They have given one matrix. Don't confuse in it. This is the dia. Dia means nothing but diagonal. They have given the diagonal values. We have to construct the matrix. Okay, then for any integer, that means any integer, they have given one condition here. N is greater than or equals to 1. That means it should be 1 equal and should be 1 greater. So 1, 2, same thing. For positive integers only, but they have given the condition like this. Positive integers or n is greater than or equals to 1 is all same only. And show that we have to show the diagonal a1 power n, a2 power n, a3 power n. Okay, let's get started. First, what they have given, a equals to diag a1, a2. First, we'll write what they have given, and that means a power n is diag a1 power n, a2 power n, comma a3 power n. Now we have to use by using. Just remember the statement from the mathematical induction. We will discuss later after completing this chapter, that is mathematical induction. Just remember now only the statement. Now by using principle of mathematical induction. So consider P of n be a statement. Why? Because we have to prove right for all the positive integers. Okay. For this, we first construct now. A power n is, now they have given only the diagonal a1, a2, a3. Okay, sorry, a power n. Okay, this remaining all should be 0. This is the a power n matrix. Since a will be, now construct a matrix a1, a2, a3. Remaining all zeros. Okay. Now let assume here when here a power n, a2, a3 will be here when P of n is true for n equals to 1. Already first we have proved the 1 and remaining, let's think k. Here n equals to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's think the remaining positive integers as k. Let's think this is 1. Now we have to find out n means 1 plus k. Discuss a total discussion in before section. I will give in the description box. So here P of n is true for when we substitute here n equals to 1, the a will be proved. Now we have to prove for the k value. Okay, let's see here. Now in before we have proved for the, we have assumed n equals to 1 and we have showed that the a value. Now we have to prove for the k. So assume P of n is true for n equals to k. Understand? N is 1. Now remaining total 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on infinity. Let's think the k. Now we have to assume n equals to k and we have to substitute in the a power n matrix. Now a power n. Here substitute k in the place of n. Then you will get a power n, k, a2 and remaining all zeros. Okay. Now we have find out the matrix for this a power 1 and we also find out the a power k. Now we have to add this to get the n value. Now we have to show, right, a power n. A power n is 1 plus k. Now we have to substitute in this a power n. A power n means we have to substitute here n in the place of 1 plus k. That equals to a power m plus n is nothing but a power m into a power n. A power 1 is nothing but a diagonal only. Anything power 1 is same that value only. So a diagonal matrix means what we know? A1, A2, A3, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. Now a power k means this one. We have to multiply both the equation. Okay, to find out n. Now we have to multiply both the equation. Then you will get 1 power 1 into a1 power k. I have read, and remaining all 0 plus 0 means this value only, and remaining all zeros. A2 power 1 into a2 power k. So a power m into a power n is the formula. Already we before discussion. A power 1 plus k. What's this value? A power n. A power n. A power n. Why we have to find out a power n? We have to prove for this. So a2 1 plus k, 0 0, a3 1 plus k. That's it. We have proved for this a power n will be proved. That means p of n is true when n equals to 1 plus k. Yeah, 1 plus k is nothing but positive integers. So we have proved, right? 1 plus k. So and here n is greater, the condition is satisfied in the problem. That's it. Very simple. There is another example. There is another problem. Third one. Try it. If it not get, I will discuss in next section. Okay. Now we'll go for the another problem. Now another problem is very important problem. They have asked this question also for many times for 4 marks. Okay. Let's see what they have given. Theta minus phi is pi by 2. That means they have given one condition there, and then show that they have given two matrices. See here there is a difference between two matrices. Here theta and here pi for everything. Cos theta, sin theta, cos pi, sin pi, cos theta, sin theta here also. Using it between theta and pi. Okay. Okay. Now we have to multiply. When we multiply both the matrix, we will get here cos square theta, cos square pi plus cos theta, sin theta, cos pi, sin pi, cos square theta, cos theta, sin pi plus cos theta, sin theta, sin square pi, cos theta, sin theta, cos square pi plus sin theta, cos pi, sin pi plus sin square theta, sin square pi. Now, see here. Now I am taking cos theta, cos pi common in both the equation. See, don't confuse it. Make a cos pi common. Why? Because for both the terms having cos theta, cos pi. Here cos theta, cos pi. Here also cos theta, cos pi. Here and here. Okay. This is sin theta. Okay. Cos theta, cos pi. When you multiply both the equation, we get cos square theta, cos square pi. Next plus I am removing this. Why? Because I have taken common here cos theta, cos pi. What's the remaining? Sin theta, sin pi. Okay. Don't confuse in it. I have taken here common as cos theta, cos pi. Now we'll go for the next term. I'll write here onwards. Don't confuse. You write as before what you do. Like this only. See here what's the double terms are there to take common. So cos theta, sin pi. Why? Because here square is there. So two terms are in the same places. So cos theta, sin pi. Okay. See in the first term. Cos theta is there. So again one will be there. Cos theta and cos pi. See here sin Sin pi I am taken as a common. So plus cos theta already I have taken common. So write remaining. Sin theta, sin pi, here square is there means 1 will be there. Okay. Next here. See here squares. See the square terms. Write the square terms. What is there? So if it is single term, remove this. Cos theta. Sin theta is there, so it is in single, so leave it. And cos pi plus sin theta. Here square is there, so another will be there. Sin theta. Cos pi already taken as common. Now here squares are there. Sin square pi and sines, here two terms are there. So take as common sin theta, sin pi, sin theta, sin pi. So okay, next see here, this looks as a one formula. Cos A cos B plus sin A sin B means cos A plus B. For the next step, okay, we'll see for the next step. I'll write same here. Cos theta, cos pi. This is a formula for cos A cos B plus sin A sin B. Formula is cos A minus B. Here A is the theta, B is the pi. So cos theta minus pi. Next, cos theta sin theta, cos theta cos pi, same formula apply here. Cos pi sin theta, same for every term, theta minus pi. Sin theta sin pi. Multiplication completed, but they have given one condition here. So theta minus pi is equals to pi by 2. Now theta minus pi is pi by 2. They have given condition. Now taking cos on both sides. Why? Because for everything there is a cos, right? If it is sin, you can also substitute here sin. So cos on both sides. Now cos theta minus pi equals to cos pi by 2. What's the value of cos pi by 2 is 0. So in trigonometry will be discussed. Already in 10th class we have learned the values of this cos, sin and every number. So cos pi by 2 is 0. Now substitute this cos pi by 2 is 0 because cos theta cos pi into 0 as 0 only. 0, 0, 0. Then you will get the 0 matrix with order 2. Okay, they asked to show as 0 only. When both the multiplication, that means both the matrix has multiplied, we have to prove as a 0 and they are given one condition. Third one is the homework. So try it in your home. If not, we will discuss in the next section. Okay, is the fourth question. Give examples of two square matrices A and B of same order for which AB equals to 0 but BA is not equals to 0. Okay. That is your wish. Take any matrix. That is example. Take any matrix, but we have to prove what AB should be equals to 0. But if you do BA means it should not equals to 0 and one condition is there. The order should be same. And you have to take square matrix only. Okay. Let A equals to 1 1 0 0. B as 0 0 1 1. Now see here AB 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0, 0 plus 0. That equals to 0 0 0 0. That equals to order 2. Okay. Next BA. B means 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 0. You will get 0 0 1 plus 1, here 2. So BA is not equals to 0, AB is equals to 0. Very simple. They can ask in 2 marks also. If you have any queries in this section, just comment me in the comment box. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you.